new subscribers, man, I appreciate y'all tuning in. And for all my OGs, man, I appreciate y'all for being here, man. You feel me? For all y'all that are new, man, this is my 2014 G37X Soho 8-air supercharged VR30 train swap. LOJ billet flex plate, billet level 10 torque converter, 39cc injectors for 40 liter fuel pump, and a whole bunch of more goodies, man. And yeah, man, as y'all can see, man, winter time, she finally out of hibernation, so about to take a little rip for y'all, you feel me? Still gotta take the spacers off, so don't mind the poke. It's just mad cold. I don't feel like doing all that right now, but still doing that flare, but I mean, it is hella cold, so I should have probably not done that, but what the fuck was that? Shit first. 190. That's tough. Car there. Fuck it. Let's keep it going, gang. Break something? I forgot with the new tires the car sits lower now, so like I gotta watch how I hit these back roads, bro. God damn. I'm like scraping, I'm rubbing my fenders and shit, scraping shit, like god damn. Roads are still icy too, damn. I'm gonna get off this back road because it look like it hasn't been really plowed that much, or that good I should say. Switch to the head POV, pause. Let me know if y'all like the head style POV, pause. Because I usually hold the camera on my mouth, pause again. But I can do the head mount too, you know what I mean? Usually safer this way, to be honest, but let me know if y'all like the angle from the mouth. Yeah, you know what? Let me know if y'all like the other angle or this angle. Wide as hell, gang. But yeah, gang, that's gonna be that for the video. I gotta get ready to go to work and stuff, so I'm gonna end the video here, but I'm gonna give y'all one last pull to end the video, you feel me? I'm not gonna do a low gear pull because, you know, bro, this shit is fucking fast, bro. But that's gonna be it for the video, gang. I hope y'all enjoyed